Hello, my name is Israel, and this is my Module 7 Artificial Intelligence video. Sorry for the noise, I've got one of my 3D printers going right now. So basically, what is AI? Artificial intelligence is really just that, intelligence of the artificial kind, I guess. It differs a lot from other assistants or digital assistants like Siri or Galaxy or Bixby. I can't remember what it's called, but we've all tried Siri, and in my opinion, it's utterly useless. But AI is different from things like that, like Siri, in a very fundamental way. So, I guess the best way to explain it is that Siri is programmed, or other AI assistants, they're programmed to receive a specific input and output. So a lot of Siri requests is either just a Google search, literally a copy and paste of text, of speech to text into Google or whatever your search engine is, and then giving you that result, and then a limited actions from your iPhone, basically, like sending a text or something like that. Like I said, it's pretty basic stuff. AI, which Siri is getting a big bump up in that, can perform a lot more actions. AI is not programmed to give you to receive an input and output a specific result. It is meant to receive almost any input and think about that process and then spit it out. So there's a couple of companies using AI. There's actually quite a few. A big one is Splunk. That's a Cisco company. As you can see here, a Cisco company. That was pretty obvious. Anyways, Splunk is big data, basically. A lot of the data that Splunk is getting is logs from servers. A lot of them are error logs or login logs. Pretty much any kind of log that a computer can produce, Splunk is going to be able to handle that. Beforehand, I know you have to do a lot of custom Splunk queries to get some specific results. In this case, they kind of have a much easier way to do that. Right, you can see this guy giving a prompt, give me the number of logs in an index main in the past hour broken down by severity. So he's giving some pretty specific things, prompts to get a specific result. And there's not something that's like programmed into the system. It's you're feeding specific parameters and it's thinking about it and producing that result. Anyways, a lot of it's used for enterprise security, behavior analytics, IT services, even on-call, application monitoring, tons and tons and tons of monitoring. Like I said, if it has a log, I'm sure Splunk can do it. The other company here is SalesForce. SalesForce uses AI, again, for big customer data. This is just a lot of arbitrary data that can be analyzed by machine. Basically, it's data that is almost impossible to be analyzed by any one human or team, really. It can be, but it would be very difficult to do that. And so that's where AI comes in, because AI can perform quite a bit more and quite a bit faster than a human, right? That's what machines are good for. But they have their Einstein platform, which is basically a chat bot that they can use for customers, as well as feeding data to employees, IT admins and developers, and it's very useful for the company. The company I work for has many children companies, and quite a few of them actually already use Salesforce, so it's pretty handy. Anyways, that's it. Thanks.